How to use Live Translate on your Android device. So what you're going to have to do first is, in order to enable Live Translate, you might need to find the setting on your phone. And if it is not available on your phone, you're going to have to download a third-party software from Google. So you can try to find it on your general management and go to voice input. Find a Live Translate option here. If you don't find it, then that's all right. You can go back, go over to accessibility, and then go to hearing enhancements. From there, you can find the Live Transcribe option. Then you can just go ahead and tap on Open Live Transcribe. What it does is you can type responses in the transcription that you see on the screen, get alerts when your name is spoken, and search within transcriptions. You can also find that option on your quick access menu here. You can just swipe down and find the setting for Live Transcribe. If you don't see it, then all you have to do is tap on the edit icon, and then it might be hidden somewhere here. So just tap on edit, and then from there down below you can find the Live Transcribe option. Right here you can find Live Caption and then Live Transcribe. You can just add this and then tap on done. Now once that is done, tap on done again. And from here, tap on Live Transcribe. It's going to open up the Live Transcribe and it will give you the live transcription as I speak. Now you can copy this text and then translate it using a different app or a Google Translate app. Or what you can directly do is open up Google Translate, go to Play Store and then search for Google Translate. And then you can just go ahead and search for it. Once you are on apps, make sure that you search for Translate, tap on Google Translate, and then open it up. Once you open up Google Translate, you have the live conversation feature here, which will instantly detect language and translate it. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.